Harnessing harmonies. Enhancing your creative writing with music. Hello, friends. Today, we'll be exploring an exciting avenue of creative writing, using music and songs. Have you ever felt a rush of emotions or a surge of ideas when you listen to a certain song? We're going to harness that power to fuel our creative writing. In this section, we'll delve into why music can be such an impactful tool for creative writing. Music, at its core, is a form of storytelling. It uses melody, rhythm, and lyrics to convey emotion and narrate a journey. This storytelling aspect is why it can serve as a powerful stimulus for our own writing. To get started with using music as a stimulus, you first need to pick a song or a piece of music. It doesn't have to be lyrical. It could be instrumental, classical, or any genre you prefer. 1. Listen carefully to the music. Allow your mind to wander and see what images, emotions, or storylines the music invokes. 2. Write down your impressions. These could be individual words, phrases, or even rough sketches if you prefer. 3. Now, connect the dots. Create a narrative or a poem using these words and impressions. You'll be surprised how a seemingly unrelated set of words can come together. Here are a few exercises to help you practice this method. 1. Write a character's backstory based on a song. Choose a song and imagine it's a character's theme. What does the music tell you about their personality? Their past? Their dreams or fears? 2. Song-to-scene translation. Picture a scene that fits the tone and pace of the music. It could be as dramatic as a chase scene or as serene as a tranquil forest at sunrise. 3. Lyric interpretation. If the song has lyrics, select a line or a verse that resonates with you. Use this line as the opening or closing of a short story or poem. So there you have it, friends. The magical world of music and creative writing intertwined. I hope this video will inspire you to put your headphones on, tune into the music, and let your creativity flow onto the page. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about expressing yourself and having fun. Until next time, keep writing, keep dreaming, and as always, keep exploring the beautiful world of English.